Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. It's Wednesday, which means it's time for a look at the crypto space. The convergence between cryptos and the metaverse is often seen as the springboard for growth in these emerging technologies. However, in the last week, we have seen the confluence between the two create chaos. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is a huge name in the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. The brand has created some of the most sought-after digital collectibles, and it has now ventured into the metaverse, organizing a sale of meta real estate, digitizing virtual land deeds, and then selling these Ethereum-based tokens online. These so-called other deeds will allow buyers to participate in Bayc's Other Side metaverse project. The token sale netted Yuga Labs, Bored Ape Yacht Club's parent company, $320 million and jump-started a massive secondary market in the Other Deeds tokens, and more than $558 million worth changed hands on Saturday alone. The level of interest was such that it overwhelmed the Ethereum blockchain, which became so congested that it effectively seized up for several hours. Gas fees, the charges you pay to process a transaction on the Ether blockchain, soared to record highs, with some traders noting they had paid up to $14,000 just to get a transaction processed, while others complained that they were stung with thousands of dollars of fees even though their transactions failed. Yuga Labs said that it will compensate those that were left out of pocket, although whether that generosity will extend to all users of the Ethereum blockchain who were caught up in the chaos remains to be seen. Yuga Labs also tweeted that it seems abundantly clear that ApeCoins will need to migrate to its own chain in order to properly scale. Ethereum wasn't the only platform to run into difficulties over the weekend. The Solana blockchain suffered a 7-hour outage as trading bots linked to an NFT project built on the blockchain flooded the ecosystem with millions of trades per second, volume far in excess of the network's transaction processing capacity. The blockchain's network validators, third parties who process transactions and support the operation of Solana, saw their hardware run out of memory and crash. At one point, 100 gigabits of data per second was hitting individual network nodes as the rogue bots fired off as many as 360 million inbound trade requests per minute. The CME Group, one of the world's largest exchange operators, is adding crypto data to its flagship Globex platform. Globex has been at the heart of electronic futures trading for more than 2 decades and will now have 2 dedicated channels that contain trade data on all of the CME's cryptocurrency contracts and indices, a move which will put that information in the hands of many of the world's major futures and derivatives traders, some of whom will surely be tempted into the marketplace as a result. Crypto trading has gone mainstream in Argentina as the country's top 2 banks announced that their customers will be able to make crypto purchases. The banks will support trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Coin, and Ripple. Argentina has widespread adoption of cryptocurrencies, with more than 1 in 5 adults in the country estimated to have used or owned digital assets as of the end of 2021.